Hi everyone, welcome back to the nodejs tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about function expression. A JavaScript function can also be defined using an expression. A function expression can be stored in a variable. After a function expression has been stored in a variable, the variable can be used as a function. So let's create function expression. So go to the project and first of all comment all these line and here first of all create a variable. So type here var and let's say variable name is message. Okay, inside this variable just assign a function. So just type here function and curly bracket start and close, and inside this function just return a message. Let's say message is hello world. Okay, all right, this is a function expression. Okay, in this function there is no any function name. You can see here only you can see the function, but there is no any function name. Okay, here function name is omitted. All right, so now just call this message variable like a function. So just type here inside the console dot log and just call this variable. Just type here message. All right, now save this file and just run it. So go to the command prompt and just type here node space index.js. Okay, and you can see here hello world. Okay, we can use function expression as argument. So let's see, first of all create another expression function. So just press enter and just create here. So just type here var, let's say variable name is sum, then function. Inside function just pass two parameter. Let's say first parameter is num1 and second parameter num2. Okay, curly bracket start and close, and inside this function just return sum of these two numbers. Okay, so just write here return num1 plus num2. All right, okay, now create another function and inside this function use uh, this function and pass the parameter. Okay, all right, so just type here var, let's say variable name is calculate sum. Okay, then assign a function and inside this function just take a parameter. uh, in parameter just pass this function. Okay, uh, so just type here, let's say parameter is fun. Okay, and inside this just return this function. All right, now call this calculate sum function here. So just type here calculate sum and inside this just pass this sum function. So just type here sum and inside this sum pass two numbers as a parameter. So let's say first number is 6 and another number is 5. Okay, and this enclosed with console.log. So just type here console.log and inside this just paste here. Okay, now save all and switch to the command prompt and just rerun the index.js file. So just type your node index.js and press enter. Okay, here is some error, so you can here simply return just fun. Okay, now rerun the file and you can see here 11. Okay, so in this way you can create and use function expression. So that's all about function expression in node.js. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.